Hello everyone, in this video we'll take a look at two-sum problem. Two-sum problem is a very famous and beginner level problem. Let me just explain this problem. We are given in one array and we are given a number x called target. In this array we have to find out two numbers which make this number x, which means target. In this example, if you add the number 2 and 7, you can make 9. So what you have to print is how to print the index of 0 and 1. So how do we do this? Before that, this array carries some of the properties. There is only one solution exists, and these numbers are non-repetitive numbers, and you cannot add the number in the same index. If you have 4, you're getting 4, you're not supposed to add index at 0, which is 2 plus 2. The same number you should not use. So with these conditions, how do we do this? In this example, I'm using unordered maps. If you know other solution with other data structures, that's totally fine. You can print the answer. Okay, now I have an unordered map of int and integer. Both of them key and values are integer. And how do I make the key is I'm using these values as a key and this index as a value. This one, the top row is key and the bottom row is value. So literally my formula will be for two numbers, x plus y is equal to the target. So how do I write is x plus y equals the target number. So how do we write this formula is I'm just taking this number x as these array values and this y is the unknown number. So this x will goes to this side and it's minus x. The formula will be translated like this. I'm just, instead of target, I'm making a symbol T. In a computer representation, I have to given an iterative element, so I am giving x as a of I. So this is how I'm going to fill this key. Now we delete this. Here in at first position, when you are entering this, you have 9 for T and a of I is 2. And you're seeing this number and getting the value as 9 minus 2. So you're getting 7. And you are coming and checking in this map whether that number is there or not. No, this number is not there. So this value will goes here. So I'm giving 2 and the index as 0. Okay, now I come to the next one. At this point, I'm again doing the same operation. My target is 9 and my current position is 7. So 9 minus 7, which gives me 2. I'm checking in this one. 2 is it there in this map or not? Yeah, 2 is there. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this index and current index and I'm printing. That's this denoted by this rose color arrows. So 0 and 1 will makes me 9. So I can print these two numbers. So we'll see one more example with 22. First I'm checking these two numbers. This means I need a target 22 minus a of I, which is 20. I'm checking in this one. It's not there. So I'm making it as 2 and I'm giving this target as 0. And I move to the next one. I'm checking this one, 22 minus 7, which gives number 15. Is it there or not? I'm checking it's not there, so I'm making 7 and index as 1. And next number 22, 11. I'm seeing here this number is there are not 11, it is not there, so I'm giving 11 and 2. And next 15, I'm coming and I'm subtracting this one. I'm checking the 7 is there in this array or not. Yes, it's there, so I'm printing this 7, index 1 and 3. So my answer will be this and this. I have to print 1 and 3, which makes me 22. So how do we do this in C++ code? I need an array, so I declare this as int a, and I just declare it as 100 elements, and size is count, and I need a target number, so I'm declaring it as t target. You can get those numbers in. First you need to get a count, and in for loop you can declare it as int and count in a of I, and you need a map to iterate this. So what I'm doing is I'm declaring as a unordered map. You can use the ordered map also, but the complexity matters there, so you should be conscious about it. So I'm declaring it as an unordered map, and integer and integer, both for key and value as in integer, and I got it as an MP. So I need to first iterate all the elements. So for int count, before any element I'm just checking what the element I want to find in the map is existing in the map or not. So mp dot find, which is nothing but mp, it should not be equal to the end. If it is equal to the end, which means it's not there in the find method. So what I'm doing is target minus a of I. If I find that, I have to print and I break it. So I and mp of target minus a of I. In cout you can give an indel, and once you find it out you can break it. If you don't find it in the map, you have to add it to the map. So I'm giving an else statement. In mp you can give a of I as the current index I. This is the key that we are given in this one, and this is the value as an index current position that we have given in this one. You can see this 0 1 2 is coming in just an increasing order. If you want, you can even print the comma, and same thing you can print the values of it. So I'm giving a of I, and here also I'm giving a of mp of target, and before that I have to get the target from the user. Target, okay, fine. We run this program, run, and I copy my test data. First this one, first number 4 array, 4 elements, so next is array, and next is target. Copy and paste it at index 1 and index 0, 2 and 7, which makes number 9. Okay, we run one more test. In this one, 2 and 4 should makes 6. The next is on this one, run. Paste it, and 15 and 7, which makes number 22. So all our tests are passing. Hope you understood this problem and solution, and we'll meet in the next video.